more little Nippa antics today because she's not running very well. I think I've traced it to a distributor. I think the distributor is past its best and it struggles when it's damp, which of course it always is because it's Wales. So I'm going to change the dizzy cap. This should be nice and easy. Right, first step, try and get the car under cover because it's minging. Right, put simply, when ignition components wear out, the electricity effectively escapes. We replaced the HT leads last year, so they're all nice and flexible, because you could actually see where the sparks were, because the electricity was leaking out, which means the spark plugs don't work. Yes, the oil, or rather the rocker cover, is that rusty. So down there is our dizzy cap. So we need to put the distributor leads in the right place on the new one and then fit the dizzy cap. And oh, hello, that feels rusty. It's held in with rusty old bolts, but thankfully the new one, which is an ADL blueprint one, which I've put safely somewhere, comes with new bolts. And yes, once again I do need to have a tidy up. Sigh. Well, apart from the usual terrible access, that really wasn't too bad. So let's stick the coil wire back in, which even clips on for extra something or other. I'm not really sure what. It goes that way. That clicked on. Yeah, I think that's that. Not sure that leads in quite the right place. But, oh, it's in the right place. I'm just not sure it's quite attached as well as I'd hope. Where's my hat gone? Still got the Toyota in here, waiting for its wheel bearings to be pressed in. I'm taking them to the garage tomorrow, then we can service it. Hopefully have the Toyota back on the road, get my garage back. Also got a set of Michelin tyres, paid for from my good friends at Vintage Tyres. Michelin 125s, the same as Little Tuck is wearing, but in the 15-inch rather than the 12-inch. But anyway, I'm ranting on about nothing in particular. Let's see what she sounds like. What has my wife been doing in here? Bits of vegetation, I think. So, sometimes I'm terrified to ask, but anyway. That still sounds a little lumpy to me. Oh, sticky throttle. Exciting. Well, let's not leave that screwdriver there. And maybe we won't leave the dizzy cap there, the old one. So that throttle cable's all nice and loose. It's all quite rusty around here. I'm just going to spray oil over all of it. There we go. It sounds a bit farty. It sounds like there's a leak on the inlet somewhere. Right, time for the moment of truth. We've got the new leads in place. I'm just going to go and start the engine. Let's simulate some Welsh weather. Success! Not a splutter to be heard. So there we go, we have one happy little nipper, we have one happy Mrs. Hubnut. I'm now going to let the engine dry out, so we've just given it a good soaking. And that's the end of another video. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. We shall see you again in a future video. Farewell.